Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I saw UK 49 prediction for Monday 9 December 2024 to the lunchtime single prediction numbers. Number 14, number 26, number 36, number 37, number 41, number 42 to the lunchtime single prediction number repeat number 14, number 26, number 37, number 41, number 42. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers. Number 1, number 15, number 34, number 38, number 41, number 45. To the lunchtime second prediction number repeat number 1, number 15, number 34, number 38, number 44, number 45. Now lunchtime bonus ball numbers. Number 15 and number 32. To the lunchtime bonus ball number repeat number 15 and number 32. So friends, complete today lunchtime prediction numbers. Now tea time prediction for Monday 9 December 2024. Today tea time single prediction numbers. Number 9, number 14, number 18, number 27, number 34, number 35. Today time single prediction number repeat number 9, number 14, number 18, number 27, number 34, number 35. Now tea time second prediction numbers. Number 2, number 6, number 33, number 36, number 42, number 45. Today time second prediction number repeat number 2, number 6, number 33, number 36, number 42, number 45. Now tea time bonus ball numbers. Number 12 and number 22. Today tea time bonus ball number repeat number 12 and number 22. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.